Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your TikTok region so you can discover more content from around the world. Whether you're looking to explore trends from different countries or connect with a new audience, this method will help you adjust your TikTok experience. First things first, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, find TikTok, and hit update if there's a new version available. This ensures you have the latest features and settings that might impact region selection. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, then go to the three lines in the top right to open Settings and Privacy. Next, select the top option called Account and click on it. Open the Account Information section, and here you'll find the Account Region option. If you don't see this option, try updating the app as mentioned earlier. Once you open this section, search for the country you want to select. After selecting it, just apply, and your region will be updated. However, some users have encountered an error where TikTok requires you to be physically in the country to change your region. Here's a workaround. Use a VPN to connect to the specific location you want in TikTok. Stay connected to this VPN and use TikTok in that location for 2 to 3 days. After that, try changing your region and it should work. Just keep in mind that some VPNs can slow down video loading speeds on TikTok, so choose one known for speed. Once your settings are adjusted, start engaging with videos from your new region. Like, comment, and follow creators from that area. This signals TikTok's algorithm that you're interested in content from this region, and you'll start seeing more of it on your For You page. And that's it. Just follow these steps to change your TikTok region and discover content from around the world. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching and happy exploring.